Welcome to the American Institute of Healthcare Professionals videogram on nurse-patient education. And we also offer a certification in this particular field of nurse-patient education as well, for those interested in becoming nurse-patient educators. Nurse-patient educators are healthcare professionals, primarily nurses, who help educate patients regarding their health, diet, the medical condition, and recovery from that medical condition or particular procedure from a hospital. Hospitals, healthcare organizations, and centers utilize the talents and knowledge of nurse-patient educators to better help patients not only understand, but also to recover from particular conditions. And in doing so, nurse educators play a key role then in overall education of health. They improve patient outcomes. They lower readmissions into the hospital from previous illnesses, and they educate patients regarding their health, especially with cases of diabetes and heart disease. And these are some major problems in society. It's one of the most common illness, diabetes and heart disease. And nurse-patient educators play a key role in helping patients understand these types of conditions. They help explain the illness, but they also explain various medications that may go with diabetes and so forth, procedures that will be needed, follow-up care that will be needed, and also guide patients in what types of questions to ask a primary physician and so forth. In addition to working with patients, they also can offer general information to the public. And hospitals sometimes present seminars or presentations to the general public regarding healthcare itself, or in regards to situations where a health crisis may arise. And in this case, a nurse educator can play an important role, such as in recently with COVID, in presenting what COVID is, how it spreads, how to prevent infection, and so forth. Nurse educators are also trained in particular healthcare teaching modules that help them better to express healthcare principles, to better teach, to educate, and to communicate concepts. This involves having good teaching skills, communication and speaking skills, as well as organizational skills. It also demands on the part of the nurse-patient educator virtues of patience, understanding, and the professional skills to teach, speak, and present information, but with a good bedside manner, because many individuals who have various illnesses, they might be very serious, and a nurse-patient educator is going to be the next person they see after the doctor. And unfortunately, many doctors do not have an ability really to articulate as much as they should, or articulate at least with a sense of compassion. Nurse-patient educators should be able to communicate and to help the individual understand what they have and the steps that are needed to be taken to deal with it, but with a sense of compassion and so forth. AIHCP's Nurse-Patient Educator program is designed to help prepare healthcare professionals in nurse teaching modalities to be able to better present that information and to educate others regarding health issues. The program itself is online, it's independent study, and upon completion of the required courses, qualified professionals and nurses are able then to apply for a 4-year certification. If you would like more information on the program itself, here is the link to the Nurse-Patient Educator program on our website, as well as a request for information. In addition, if you'd like to contact the office, to contact AIHCP, you can call us at 330-652-7776. Again, that number is 330-652-7776, or you can also email us at info@aihcp.org. Again, that's info@aihcp.org. So if you're a nurse and you would like to go into more of an educational aspect of your profession, you have a strong knowledge of particular illnesses and how to treat illnesses, and you're a good communicator, a good teacher, then I think this certification might be something that you might want to consider to enter into the field of nurse-patient education. I'd like to thank you for listening today and have a great day.